You probably see lots of smiles in this video because I'm pretty happy, and I'm pretty sure Mitch is going to be pretty happy too. It is starting to rain. All right, how are we looking? 2022. Let's make some videos. Hello and welcome to my first video of 2022. I'm down the south coast on just an annual Christmas holiday, and I'm rushing back to the caravan park. My brother is on his way, and I've got a little story for you about cameras. We're about to be gifted a drone. But first, I want to give you the background story. I love cameras. I've always loved cameras. I love playing with cameras. I love reading about cameras. I think Sarah thinks I like cameras more than I like her. For about 20-25 years now, I've been playing with cameras, and I've always been trying to get the most smooth cinematic footage that I possibly can. I've been making my own little sliders and glide cams. I've made cable cams. I've strapped cameras to helmets and water skis, all sorts of different things. And it's always been super shonky, but it's been a process that Mum and Dad have watched along for many years. And back in 2016, my brother, he bought a drone. It was a Phantom 3 Professional. Humongous thing, but it was awesome, and me and my brother absolutely loved it, and Mum and Dad just watched the joy we had with it. Well, about nearly 3 years ago now, I was four-wheel driving and I took it with me, and I crashed it. The thing fell out of the sky and just blew into a million pieces. So since then I've been saying I'm gonna buy the next drone. It's more like I killed this one, I'm buying the next one. But they're expensive and it hasn't happened. Now, the last 2 years I've been making videos for this channel of my adventures, and Mum and Dad have started watching them, and at Christmas time they've surprised me and told me they want to buy me and my brother a drone, my brother Mitch. So I got to pick it, which was awesome. But my brother doesn't know about it now. He's on his way down the coast now, so I'm heading back to the caravan park because he's nearly here, and Mum and Dad are going to surprise him with his new toy. Let's go see what his reaction's like. I cannot wait to fly this thing. Alright, Mitch has finally arrived, and Dad's going to get out the drone now and we're going to surprise him. I can't wait.
Good one.
Not only do we have chocolates,
drop it at his place.
we have a little something for
What's this? What do you got here?
Mitchell and Tim.
Really?
Yeah, we forgot about it at Christmas.
You can open it first.
I know what it is, so you can open it.
I know what it is too.
Me and Tim.
What is it? This is so weird. Oh, get out.
Get a chance.
What's going on here?
Stitch up.
This is a massive stitch up. Is everyone in on this? And
Yes.
what's going on?
Everybody except you.
Except you.
This is so weird.
I just got to get some footage here. Although Tim's getting it.
I don't know
Yeah, he
what
nearly
to do.
put his
What's
foot
going
in
on?
it. It's going
So, what's the go?
DJI.
You bought it, didn't you?
No.
No. Dad wanted to buy it
Really?
for both of you. And then you were going to go in when he told
Is that?
Tim.
Did you know that?
And you went, we spoke to Tim because we wanted to know which one to get. And then you went and said,
Dude.
I'm going to buy a drone. He's going, no, He rings us up and says, we got a problem with it.
Because 2 days I was at the gym and I was just, a memory came up on my phone of all the shots that we took here. And I'm just like, rang Tim, I'm just like, I'm going to buy a drone. What should I get?
And I'm
Tim
like,
rang us up and said,
And Tim's like, oh, I know the one I want, don't buy it. What?
Thanks again, Mum.
Pleasure, my darling. I love you.
We're going to go give it its maiden flight.
It's good. I won't be in it.
Fingers crossed we don't crash.
Don't let it fall in the water.
We got pretty good parents, eh?
So good.
You look pretty good.
I've never seen a train.
So do you just,
the back ones go down.
first time is always like this, so
I know. It's nerve wracking. Yeah. It's pretty quiet too, eh?
Look how high it is, Tim.
that's nothing.
I can barely even see that.
Okay, yeah. That's the picture. Jesus Christ, it's clear, isn't it?
There's the ocean.
There it is, straight out there.
Alright, we've just landed from our maiden flight and it's pretty awesome. Tomorrow morning we're going to get up and go for a ski and hopefully get some sweet footage, so.
Fist pump again. Bring it. How good's this?
How good. What's going on? I still don't know why that happened.
Since when does Mum and Dad buy us stuff?
I honestly have no idea.
The next morning the sun was shining and there was not a breath of wind. It was perfect conditions for water skiing, but also flying a drone.
Oh, don't do that.
That's scary. You'll learn how to do that properly. Your turn. I am so unbelievably happy with the footage coming out of this drone. Even when we slow it down, the image looks fantastic. I was trying to like follow them around, but I was pushing like down to like tilt the camera down, but it wasn't tilting, and then I'm like, oh, I could just see like water like right above the water. I'm like, oh, I nearly put it in the drink. That was way too close for comfort.
That having a sensor underneath.
Can it see water is what I want to know. Here are some of my favourite shots from the 5 days I was down the coast.
Luckily I had this one sunny day, but then for 3 days straight we had rain. Fortunately, on the day I was going home, I was able to get a few more shots.
I'm paddling, I can't. Feel quite shot.
All I want to do is fly the new drone, but it won't stop raining.
Yep, she's raining alright.
Well, that is it. That is the end of my holiday down the south coast. It's a short little trip, and as you can see, I didn't get a lot of drone footage. Unfortunately, the weather's been pretty average and it rained most days I was down here, so it's a bit of a shit. But what I did find out is the drone is awesome. Pretty stoked with how it went. We just tried a little follow me function for the first time down through the trees here, and it worked perfectly. So I'm really looking forward to using some footage on my next bikepacking trip. I think I might have to organise one very soon, and I shall see you there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Alright, Mum and Dad, if you're watching, on behalf of Tim and I, we just want to say thank you so much for the drone. We really appreciate it. We're super pumped to use it. A little bit shocked that you would even do something like that, but that's awesome. We love it. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to get in the air. And Tim, please, a little side note, please don't crash this one. Thank you.
Through this section will be a nice spot to fly the drone. Did that look like a drone? I want to play with my drone.